I've grown up, with Colgate as a brand for toothpaste. I think it's the most generic brand. It's the most famous brand for toothpaste. It's a great honor for me to be the brand ambassador for this, for Colgate. And this is a unique opportunity. It's a great competition, and it's a nice opportunity for us to meet our fans and the contest winners. I think it's something great that's been organized by Colgate, and we've already been chatting for like an hour and a half next door. And I've just come across to make this statement because apparently the sound wasn't working very well earlier, and we're going to go back and carry on talking. And it's been a great evening so far, and thank you all for coming.
सर सर
Just sit down, sir.
Sorry, those are not relevant questions.
Side.
Sorry, man, not right now. Are these guys going to just follow us all the way up?
Right.